Look at the So I've been working on this small personal project. I had bought these patterns a long time ago to make baby clothes for my future children as a more intimate thing that they could have. And they turned out really well that my husband was like, you should make this as gifts for our friends because all our friends seem to be having babies. And I was like, say less, I will do that. However, I was having trouble with the snaps I had placed metal snaps in. If you look closer, you can see like some ridges underneath, and they weren't working out. And I stumbled upon these in Daiso, and they are perfect because one, it doesn't require a machine to do them, and two, they're very cheap. However, I would suggest if you don't have an awl to bore the holes and you're using a scissors, to be really, really careful. But all in all, it turned out really, really great. I have no problems with these. I went back to get more and they snap in perfectly. So I'm so excited to like share these with my friends and to make more in the future, and I hope they love it just as much as me. You gotta...
Oh, okay, now it's a vlog.
Yeah.
Forget all you guys. Hey, you guys. Happy Sabbath.
Are you even recording?
Yeah.
Be careful.
We're at the Ramapo Valley Reservation.
In my mind, I said before we even, I was like, it's that vlog that's gonna make me step in poop even before he says anything. I already know this dog.
Look at the color. Wow.
No.
I feel like a lot of the times when we talk about healthy habits, we focus on the things that we eat, the things that we do, self-care, and all the works, but we don't really make much efforts when it comes to our relationships and how much those relationships affect what we deem as healthy. It affects the way we choose to eat, where we find ourselves, and how we view ourselves. It brings me back to coming to this park for the first time. Jenny and I, we just were cultivating our friendships and just seeing how far we've come with our relationship, in our relationship, and how much we've grown. It really shows me the value of having healthy relationships, because I don't think that I would be in this headspace. I would want to continue doing things that I've been doing or striving to do better with my health.
Die or coordinates. So for instance, this is A6. So you put that A6 there, and you guys, essentially you're gonna put these stoppers, these 7 stoppers, wherever the 7 die are, and then you're gonna try to fill in. You both have the same 9 shapes, and you're gonna try to fill in the spaces the fastest. There's multiple ways to do each one, and it'll always work.
There's about 60,000 plus possibilities.
Wait, no, Sherman, you gotta finish. Nobody gets to quit out here.
I'll let you beat me. Get it out.
No, man, you gotta finish it.
So the next day we had decided to go to the zoo. It was really, really hot today, and we just decided to go in the afternoon. So the thing is, we had passes and they were about to expire like the Tuesday that was coming. So we were like, we got to see these animals before we can't see them again. I personally enjoy going to the zoo because it brings me back to my childhood. My parents would take me to the zoo a lot, and I just was in awe of the different types of animals that were even housed in this specific zoo. It's one of the largest zoos in North America, I have been told. Don't fact check me on that because I don't know. But the first time that we came, we did see the birds of prey, but we also didn't see all of the animals. And so if you look at the beginning, we got to see the rhinos, which I've never seen before. And a little bit later on in these clips, we'll see the kiwi bird, which is the first time I've ever seen the kiwi bird in real life. And we got to experience them feeding the penguins. They are so adorable. I 10 out of 10 would recommend just going just to see the penguins. Where do we go next? What are we seeing next? Despite it being the afternoon, it was still a little hot, so we didn't stay for much longer. So I was really happy to go see the last set of animals, which are like the rodents. And I don't remember the name of this one, but it's so cute because look at its elephant-like trunk nose. It's so adorable. I wanted to take it home. It could be my pet. I don't care what you say. But thanks again for sticking through another vlog. I know it's difficult, but I pray that you work on healthier, happier habits. Until next time, bye.